Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your science teacher Ms. Sidra Zafar. This is lecture number 12 for grade 6, unit number 2, living things in their environment. Today we study food chains in a local habitat. The food chain shows the feeding relationship that shows how one living thing depends on the other living thing for his food. Did you know that every time you run or jump, your body is using energy? All living things get the energy that they need to move and grow from the food they eat. And this energy comes from the sun. The plants receive the sunlight from the sun and receives the oxygen from the air, water from the soil, and make their own food, and this process is known as photosynthesis. In this picture you can see the different factors which are involved in the photosynthesis. A food chain shows how each living thing gets its food. In this picture you can see a food chain. The plants receives the light from the sun and make their own food. So these are known as producers because they make their own food. And the rat is the primary consumer because it is the first who eat the plants. And snake is the secondary consumer because it eats the rat. The eagle eats snake, so it is tertiary consumer. And if one of them is dead or all of them are dead, then they are decomposed by the decomposers. These decomposers break them into the nutrients so that they can again recycle for the plants. Plants are called producers because they are able to use light energy from the sun to produce food from carbon dioxide and water. In this picture you can see different animals which are herbivores. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivores, and these herbivores also known as primary consumers. And in this picture you can see different animals which are carnivores. Animals that eat other animals are called carnivores, and these carnivores are also known as secondary consumers. And those carnivores that eat other carnivores are called tertiary consumers. In this picture you can see different animals and human as well. These are the animals and people who eat both animals and plants, and these are known as omnivores. Decomposers. The bacteria and fungi, they are known as decomposers, and they feed on decaying matter. These decomposers speed up the decaying process that release mineral salts back into the food chain for absorption by plants as nutrients. In this picture you can see the classification of different animals into the three categories: primary, secondary and the tertiary consumers, with the transfer of energy as well. In this picture you can see different species. Dear students, you will have to choose the producers which are eaten by the primary consumers, and those are eaten by the secondary consumers and as well in the tertiary consumers, and decomposers which break them into the smaller nutrients for the plants, and it is a cycle. Can you make a food chain by placing the animals in these spaces? Yes, of course you can do it, and you will have to do it. Kindly complete this picture and send me a photo clip on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much students. In the next lesson we will study the local habitat.